Hello my friend, welcome to Rosy Tasty Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my coconut milk, coconut oil, and the chef. You will see you can use the chef as well. So I'll start by peeling my coconut out of the chef and scalping it out as well. So I'll break all the coconut, remove the water. If water is good, you can as well use it or taste it. It's not normally very sweet. I will peel all the coconut out. They're very healthy coconuts. I'm peeling all the coconuts out of the shell, separating them. That will come out full. Now I will now peel the back of the coconut. Okay? At first it was really hard, but when I put it in water it was a bit softer. So I'll peel all of them. You can use any applicant you have, maybe knife or potato peel to peel it. I'm going to peel all of them to get out the brown part of the coconut and leave it all wet. And now wash it all together. Wash out all the sand or whatever that has to stick to it. Make sure it's well cleaned. And I'll put it down for cutting. And I'll cut all of it into tiny, dice it into cube pieces. And all of it, I'm going to dice all of it before I blend it. If you have a very strong blender, you don't really have to cut it too small, according to what your blender can carry. So I do cut mine small, but I want you to blend it till it's really smooth. So that is it. I will now blend it. I will recommend, if your blender is not a glass one, you can use warm water to blend your coconut. It helps in bringing out the oil of the coconut. So in this case, I use warm water to blend it. I will blend all of it and put them in the bowl. I will tell you, if you are using this coconut milk for your rice, for your jollof rice, or for whatever cooking, don't put too much water than what you need, so that it's not too watery. So put enough water that you need. then for the fact that I'm using oil, I want to really squeeze it out properly, because I'm not really using the milk, but I'm going to show you that it turns to milk. So if you are doing only milk, I would say don't put too much water as well to have a very sweet milk. Say for every 1 coconut you can put 500 ml of water if you are making milk. So I brought out the milk, and this is the coconut. After bringing out the cream, I put this bowl of coconut milk into my freezer and leave it for like an hour, and you will see the coconut come up, and the oil stay up. So you can scoop up the oil and you will now fry it or boil it in a pot to dry out the remaining water. You can see you can even use it, and it shows that it's the oil. So if you put it now on fire, it's going to dry the remaining part of the water, and you will get your coconut. Look at the milk, lovely milk. You can use this to make your tea, to make your cereal. This is the chef. You can use it to make coconut eba or fufu. Coconut chef fufu. See how clean it shows. So this is the remaining one. I'm boiling. You have to boil. You keep boiling till the remaining water that was left with the oil will now dry it off, and it will turn to oil. You keep stirring it. Boiling it. This pot is actually a non-sticking pot, so it's gonna be moving all the stickiness of it. So this wash is almost done. So you keep cooking, stirring it. Keep stirring it. You can see it's turning to oil. All this white stuff you see is the oil. So you're trying to dry whatever little water that was left with it. Turn to oil. See? Turn to oil. The more that white stuff dried off, the more it turns to oil. So this is my oil after.